Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ali and today I'm so excited because it's the first time I'm going to be showing you guys a video. It's about my skincare products that I use on a daily basis. This mask that I'm going to show you guys here is a hydrating mask, and these are my ingredients. They're very simple. It's only 3 of them. We have our honey, we have our avocado, and we have our plain Greek yogurt. The honey is very good because it's very good for our skin. It's antibacterial and it helps out with acne. The avocado, that one is very rich in vitamin E, A, and C. The Greek yogurt is moisturizing and it helps out with also with acne. The honey, I like this one. I started using this mask in particular because honey helps out with age spots. Anything that's dark or uneven tones. And I have this little uneven tone here in by my eye, and that's the honest reason why I started doing this mask. Besides being very soothing and hydrating, these combinations of ingredients are great for our skin. The first step is to start off with a clean face. We need to make sure that we wash our face, get everything off of it. The way that we need to apply this mask, our skin needs to be just clean so it's ready to receive all these nutrients. Okay, so we're gonna start off here. This is a very small avocado, and in reality you guys don't need that much. I'm gonna make the whole avocado here because I'm gonna be sharing this with my daughters later on today. They asked me to make enough for them too. You guys could use the same spoon to smash in the avocado into your bowl. We're just trying to break it down so when we apply it to our face, it's more like a cream. If you guys have any other tools that are easier to smash it in, go ahead and use them. And I'm going to use my spoon. You know what? Let me try this one. See if it works a little easier. Okay. So once we break this down like this, to this consistency, we are able to add our yogurt. I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of the plain yogurt. And feel free to use the same little spoon to remove it. Between the yogurt and the honey, they act like almost like a paste, and it makes it easier for it to stay on your face. I'm gonna mix this in, and the same thing with the honey. You're gonna do 2 tablespoons. If you guys hear any noises outside, is because my husband's practicing with my youngest daughter. She's a softball player. So I don't know if you guys could hear that. He's out there coaching her. Okay, so we're gonna mix our 3 ingredients. I use this face mask at least 3 times a week. Okay, so now it's ready to apply to my clean face. So we're gonna go here. I brought down this mirror so I could see myself. Okay, you guys could use your fingers. I happen to have this little spoon here, or little paddle. It makes it easier, but if you don't have this little paddle, you guys just use your fingers. Make sure that you guys have clean hands. And get it all over your face, your forehead. We're gonna leave this on for 20 minutes, even half an hour if you have the time. I always, it's either 20 minutes or half an hour. The yogurt feels very soothing on the face because it's right out of the fridge. So it feels nice and cool. In between face masks, I either do laundry or start my dinner. I'm always multitasking, guys. Modern moms do that. we try to keep, keep it going. Or just watch TV. Okay. Looks like it's all even. So it kind of looks like that. So I'm gonna wait 20 minutes and we'll be back. When I come back, I'm gonna have this rinsed off, use warm water, and then I'm gonna show you the next step, okay? See you guys soon. Okay guys, so I rinsed off my face mask, and honestly my face feels very soft, very smooth. One last thing I like to do before I'm done, I always ice my face. I find this method to help minimize the size of my pores. So this is what I do. I just get a couple ice cubes and I put them directly onto my face. Make sure that if you're gonna do this icing, do not leave it on your face for too long in one spot. The point is just to kind of go around it, and you could do your whole face. And then just kind of use either a napkin or your towel to clean off. I also have this other little tool that I use. This goes in the freezer, and like you can tell, it's pretty cold. And I do the small side for underneath my eyes, and the bigger side is for my face. This is sometimes after maybe a night out or sleeping in, you get the little underbags, or it gets poofy underneath your eyes. So this helps out for that. And last, these are my two favorite things to use. This is my facial spray and my moisturizer. So I like using the facial spray right after icing my face. I feel like this is when it works the best. And I just do a little bit on my face like that. This moisturizer, it has the aloe, the cucumber, and green tea. I love it. It's one of my favorites. And always moisturize, no matter what. One of my rules is that I never go to bed with makeup on. No matter if I'm so tired, I have to take off my makeup, do my facial spray and my moisturizer. So those are my tips. The other thing I do, make sure that you guys are wearing a lot of sunblock, drink your water. That helps out your skin, believe it or not. Having your face moisturized helps out your skin. Get to know your skin, get to know if you guys are oily skin, combination skin, dry skin, and that way it's gonna be easier for you to have a better routine to take care of. Thank you so much for watching my first skincare video. I'm gonna be posting some more. Also, if you guys have any questions regarding where I buy my products, let me know. Do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys very soon, okay? Thank you.